Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stopping flow and making the system safe. Shut the valve, then relieve all pressure, open a downstream tap or vent until water stops. Why? Because trapped pressure will spray when you release the fitting. Next, wipe the area and position a bucket. You want controlled drainage. Once done, inspect the collar. Is it a push-to-connect collet or a compression nut? That determines your next move, so be precise and note orientation before you touch anything. You now focus on freeing the tube from the fitting. For push-to-connect types, press the collet squarely toward the fitting with a release sleeve or thumb. Hold the tube because it can spring out. Once the collet is down, pull the tubing straight out. Do not twist, which can score or oval the tube. For compression fittings, back off the nut 1 to 2 turns to loosen the ferrule, then pull while supporting the ferrule so it doesn't seize the pipe. You finish by checking both tube and fitting for damage. A nicked tube needs a clean square cut so fittings seat properly. Make sure O-rings aren't torn. Replace them if they're flattened or cracked, and clean debris from the bore. If the fitting is stuck, try a penetrating spray, brief gentle heat to relax plastics, and alternate gentle twisting with pulling. One troubleshooting tip. If leaks persist after reassembly, cut back 1/4.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.